at the Intercontinental Miami. It's 1706 and it is a partial ocean view. It might be a full-on ocean view. You won't be able to see much tonight though. Walking in, you have a nice little corridor here. There's my feet. Beautiful flooring. Yes, I'm wearing a sweatshirt in Miami. Just got off the plane. We have a gorgeous, huge shower. You have your toilet. Trash can right next to it. Nice little picture on the wall. Nice space. Very pretty, inviting robe. Nice floor. Don't see any hair or anything on it. That's nice. I don't see any dust. I don't think. I haven't looked with a fine tooth comb yet. You have more mirrors. Lovely. To show off my beautiful sweatshirt. And then you have two drawers here. Now this could be a little cleaner. I'm seeing marks and it's not like a mercury glass mark. I almost wish it was and not a little dirty. Nice space there. You have 3 washcloths. You have probably some Q-tips. Let's see what's in here. You have a nice little thing to shower cap. You have some pads for your face. You have a sanitary bag. That's interesting. And then you have some Q-tips and some more Q-tips in that if you are interested. So open that up. It's a nice little prizes inside. You have some nice hand towels. You have some body lotion and some hand wash, and I'll do the smell test. Let's smell. Ooh, smells pretty good. We have a mirror. It is not a lit mirror, but it does have zoom capability. All right, and this is the closet. And the closet is not real spacious, but probably all you really need. Nice big safe, iron and board. Looks like extra bedding as well, some laundry bags. All right, the shelf, just some extra towels, looks like a hair dryer and some extra toilet paper. And then we have this fun wallpaper. Reminds me of the Golden Girls, just not green. All right, over here we have, I believe, a mini bar. Oh yeah, we do, and some snackies. Look at that. We got some chocolate M&Ms. We have some pretzels that have been here a while. Melted. Pringles, sour cream and regular, some malt balls, chocolate, some mixed nuts. You have an energy shot, like a 5 energy shot thing. And what is this? What is this little prize? Oh, some lubricated prophylactics. I do believe that's my first time saying the word prophylactics. Never had to say that word before. Some glassware, some coffee. And what is this thing? I don't know what this is. I don't know why, I don't know, but oh, it's just another beverage thing. And there's a mini bar. And the prices I believe you can get on this QR code. I'm about to show you, man, that is a really good combo of goodies though. If you want to spend the money, they will let you. And you have 3 bottled water. They are complimentary. And if you want more, they said you could call down to the front desk and get more. You have a fancy little coffee pot right there. A little ice bucket, which is a little wait, okay. At first I thought it was plastic and I thought that was cheapening things, but it's kind of like a, I don't know, a breakable filling material. It's not glass. I don't know what that is, but it's not plastic, so. And we have tea, decaf, creamer, and sweet and low, and nice coffee cups. All right, we're going into the room. Temperature in here is 62. It feels great. Nice art on the wall. Pinstripe floor, looks well vacuumed. Nice, inviting beds. I'll take this one, I think, and my sister can have that one. Yes, here's a big drawer. All right, let's see, nice size drawer. Okay, interactive guide to all things at Intercontinental Miami, QR code. You have a little clock, an old-timey little clock. There's a button for the lamp right there. You also have something that goes on and off with those light switches. And then here is the blackout and the sheer for the blinds. And then you have a little phone. Now, I'm not seeing, yes I am, USB and probably a 120 or 110 outlet right there. And a USB-C hidden there. That's nice. And let's see if it's on this side as well. It sure is. That's great. That's wonderful. I was gonna say, I thought they'd at least have that, and they do. All right, let's show you this artwork over here. That's not so beautiful. Headboards are interesting. All right, we have a very large TV. Goodness, I'd say a 65-inch, something like that. Nice size, more drawers. You have 3 on each side. And you have 4 cubbies here, so plenty of space. You have another mirror over here on the wall, lots of mirrors. Trash can, nice desk with my drink. And you have a nice light. Oh, some pottery. Look at that. Light goes on, light goes off, and it looks like probably a room service menu, I would think, right here. Yep, Intercontinental menu. I'm seeing a little feather I need to get. A breakfast menu, an all-day menu, all-day dining, entrees, and I really wish you could see my view. Let me turn off the light so I don't get as much of a reflection. I'm seeing Bayside Market. You really can't see it. I'd have to turn off all the lights, and I'll do that in a little bit. Bayside Market, the pier, or the port, cruise port rather. And beautiful Miami. Right over here we have a cool little light, nice little vignette, some more art on the wall, a comfy little chair that does not move or swivel, a little table here, which would make more sense kind of by that chair, but I'm not the decorator here, so. But a good amount of space. Square footage wise, I would say 350, maybe even 400. With the bathroom in the hallway. I could be wrong, but it's a great space. I really like it. It feels nice and cool, feels clean. I will say there are a few things I've noticed, little marks and things that could be maybe a little cleaner, but would I stay here again? Already, it's a yes. The very nice front desk too. If you wanted more water, they'll supply it for you and everything. So I'd say all around, I'll let you know how I sleep. Looks like a comfy, great space. Goodbye. Okay, here's the blind and curtain situation here at the Intercontinental Miami. We're gonna do the blackout shade first. Oh, and that's how we do it. We just push it, it's right next to me on the bed. Blackout, sheer, up, down, and stop. And here we go. We'll start with blackout. It's that easy. And now let's put the sheer down as well. Tell you what, sheer's going down now. Oh, I didn't know that. Nice. We can't see anything. Let's turn off the light and see if we see anything real quick. Wow, it blocks out all the port light.
Wow, it sure does.
And then the creepy ghost in the bathroom comes out. Did you hear that
Yes.
shit?
No, it was in the hallway.
Okay, and here we go. We're gonna put the blackout up. We'll put the sheer shade up first. Just push sheer or just push. The last thing you pushed with up or down is what it runs. And now I bet if I just push up, the blackout should just go up. Nope, you gotta push the blackout and push it up. Very easy. And we have the beautiful Port of Miami over there, the cruise port. We have Bayside Marketplace, and we'll see a lot more in the morning with less reflection. Let me try to give you a view real quick now. Look at that. Oh no, you can see it pretty good. And that's our view. Straight on at the grist port.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm sunning, you love it, come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives.
Brian partaking in Toro Toro. You got a Toro burger and fries.
Fries are good.
Heck yeah.
So we'd have been on it right now.
Yep. MIC World America right there. It's massive. Wow, it's turning on a dime though. Bigger than the Ferris wheel.